Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Microsoft Teams not working solve. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all open a Microsoft Team, and after doing this then click on these three dots and click on upgrade now. So make sure that your version is up to date. So in my case is already up to date. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, click on display adapter, right click, and after doing this that disable device, click yes to continue. After doing this that right click and enable the device. After doing this that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps and features, and in the search box type a team, click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down, click on repair, and after that click on reset. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features. In the search box type a team, click on these three dots and click on uninstall. After that uninstall it. After uninstalling that, close it. Go to your any browser and search engine and type a team download for PC. So click on first link is download Microsoft Team Desktop for mobile app, Microsoft.com website. Click on desktop for download for desktop. Click on according to your theme or school or a small business. Click on download it. Click on save to continue. After downloading that, open it. Click run to continue. After doing this step, downloading will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. Okay, after that, now you can see that the installation will be completed. Okay guys, after completing that, close it. Open a file explorer. Go to your local disk C. Open a program files. Click on these three dots. Go to your options. Click on view and make sure that show hidden file and folders. Select it. Click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, open a right click on a Windows app, show more option, go to your properties. After doing this step, go to your security, go to your advanced. After doing this step, click on change option. Go to your advanced, click on find now, select your user, click OK. After doing this, click on OK button. Click on replace owner and on subcontinent and objects. Click on apply and OK button. After I close, OK it, open it, and find out a Microsoft team. Scroll down. Here is a Microsoft team. Right click, click on rename, and set a new name is. After that, close it, and open a team. Now you can see that after doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.